Hi, welcome to Gameplay House. Today, I'll show you how to get TikTok back if it's unavailable on your app store. I'll provide a step-by-step guide with proof, so stick with me to the end to get your 100% solution. Open the App Store and search for TikTok. If TikTok doesn't appear, don't worry. Go back to the App Store and search for a free VPN. Download and install a free VPN. Open the VPN, turn it on, and connect to a server in Canada or any country where TikTok is available. Open your App Store profile and go to the Change Country, Region option. Select Canada or another country and fill in the details. Use a random address. Make sure it matches the selected country. Save changes. Go back to the App Store, search TikTok, and now it should appear. Start the download, and you're all set. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and I'll help you out.
Yes!